Here class, today I am going to solve these questions. First question is cos alpha into cos 60 minus alpha. Cos 60 plus alpha is equal to 1 by 4 cos 3 alpha, and some more question. First I am going to solve the first one. So if we take left hand side, so that is cos alpha into cos 60 minus alpha into cos 60 plus alpha. So here cos alpha we can divide and multiply with 2. Two cos 2 cos A cos B, and the formula is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. A minus B. This one. Now if we see 60 cancel, here alpha alpha cancel, so that is cos alpha by 2 into cos 120 degree plus cos minus 2 alpha. But as we know, cos minus theta, cos theta, so here cos alpha by 2, and the value of cos 120 is minus 1 by 2 and plus cos 2 alpha. So here cos alpha by 2, if we take LCM, so minus 1 plus 2 cos 2 alpha. So here cos alpha by 4 and minus 1 plus 2, here we open the bracket, cos 2 alpha, so that is 2 cos square alpha minus 1. Cos alpha by 4, here minus 1 plus 4 cos square alpha minus 2. So cos alpha by 4 cos square alpha minus 3, so 1 by 4. If you multiply cos alpha, so 4 cos cube alpha minus 3 cos alpha, so 1 by 4 cos 3 alpha, and this is what we have to prove. Have a look. In this question, 2 cos theta is equal to x plus 1 upon x. This is given and we have to prove something. So for that, on cubing both sides, because we see in the right hand side there is a cube, so here 2 cos theta whole cube, and here x plus 1 upon x whole cube, so that is 8 cos cube theta, and here a cube plus b cube plus 3 ab a plus b. Now these two cancelled out, so here 8 cos cube theta is equal to x cube plus 1 upon x cube plus 3, and we know that x plus 1 upon x is 2 cos theta, so here is 2 cos theta. So 8 cos cube theta, here plus this side minus 6 cos theta is equal to x cube plus 1 upon x cube. If we take 2 as a common, so here 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta x cube plus 1 upon x cube, and this is the formula of cos theta, and this is what we need to prove. Have a glance. 60 plus theta plus cos square 60 minus theta, we have to prove 3 by 2. So here what can we do? Here cos square theta as it is, we have to note it down, and here cos square 60 plus theta same, we'll note it down, and here we can write 1 minus sine square 60 minus theta. So this one we can write here 1 plus cos square theta. Now cos square 60 plus theta minus sine square 60 minus theta. Cos square a minus sine square b, this is the formula of cos a plus b. Cos a, this is a plus b, cos a plus b into cos a minus b minus b. So here we can see theta cancel and 60 cancel. So here 1 plus cos square theta plus cos 120, and the value of 120 is minus 1 by 2 into cos 2 theta. So 1 plus cos square theta minus 1 by 2, and we can open the bracket, and that is 2 cos square theta minus 1. So 1 plus cos square theta minus, now 2 cancelled, here minus cos square theta minus plus, and here 1 by 2. Now these two cancelled out, 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2, and this is our right hand side. Now in this question, this is given theta is equal to pi upon 2 to power n plus 1, and we have to prove this. So if we multiply, so this is 2 to the power n theta plus theta is equal to pi. So in place of 2 to the power n theta, we can write pi minus theta. Now if we see the left hand side, so here is 2 to the power n, and this section, this whole section is the expression of sine 2 to the power n theta upon 2 to the power n sin theta. So here these two cancelled out. Sine 2 to the power n theta is pi minus theta, so pi minus theta upon sin theta, and we know that sin 180 minus theta sin theta, and here is also sin theta, so that is 1. This is our right hand side. In this sum, if alpha and beta are acute angle and cos 2 alpha is equals to 3 cos 2 beta minus 1 upon 3 minus cos 2 beta, then we prove that tan alpha is equal to root 2 tan beta. Now I am going to solve this, and I am using the fourth formula of cos 2 alpha, and that is 1 minus tan square alpha upon 1 plus tan square alpha. Similarly here 3 cos 2 beta means 1 minus tan square beta upon 1 plus tan square beta minus 1, 3 minus 1 minus tan square beta upon 1 plus tan square beta. So we see, then we can write 3 minus 3 tan square beta minus 1 minus tan square beta upon 1 plus tan square beta, and here 3 plus 3 tan square beta minus 1 plus tan square beta upon 1 plus tan square beta. Now these two cancelled out. Here 1 minus tan square alpha upon 1 plus tan square alpha. Here if we see 3 minus 1 2 and 3 plus 1 4 tan square beta, 3 minus 1 2, 3 plus 1 4 tan square beta. So here we are saying this plus minus minus plus, same thing is there, so we use by componendo and dividendo. So if we see 1 minus tan square alpha and we subtract it, minus 1 minus tan square alpha, here 1 minus tan square alpha plus 1 plus tan square alpha. Similarly this side 2 minus 4 tan square beta minus 2 minus 4 tan square beta, here 2 minus 4 tan square beta plus 2 plus 4 tan square beta. So if we see, that is minus 2 tan square alpha upon 2. Now these two are also cancelled out. Here 2 cancel, minus 8 tan square beta. Now 4 tan square beta cancel. Here is 4. Now 4 2s are 8, and this minus cancel. So here tan square alpha equals to 2 tan square beta. This is alpha actually. 2 tan square beta. So in the next line, tan alpha is equal to root 2 tan beta, and this is what we need to prove. Have a look.